Our last section, Step 7, is our conclusion. This is where we try to effectively communicate to the reader what we have done, the results we've received, and our analysis of the hypothesis we've developed. In the Text Video Lab template, I provide 6 prompts to help guide the investigator in writing a clear and focused analysis. Make sure to write in complete sentences and write as if the reader has no clue about anything you have just done in your experiment. Assume that they need you to explain everything for them. So for our paper helicopter investigation, our conclusion is as follows. 1. The question was, does the length of the rotor wing of a paper helicopter affect its flight time? 2. My hypothesis is that of 3 different lengths of rotor wings on a paper helicopter, long, medium, and short, the longest wing will have the longest flight time when dropped from the height of 3 meters high. The average flight time of 3 trials of each rotor wing device shows that the longest wing stayed in the air for 2.19 seconds, the medium length 2.08 seconds, and then the short length wing for 1.56 seconds. Based on the data, my hypothesis is supported. I can infer that providing more surface area on a rotor wing, this will increase its amount of air friction, thus allowing it to stay in the air longer. I did my best to maintain good constants for my experiment, such as using the same type of paper and dropping from the same height. However, I noticed that on each rotor wing device from the provided template that the body of the paper helicopter also changed in size. So, the body of the helicopter should have stayed the same size with only the wing length changing. The one variable I changed for my helicopter lab was the rotor wing length, the independent variable. I measured the flight time of each rotor wing device and averaged the 3 trials. After analyzing my data, the evidence supported my hypothesis that the longest rotor wing length of a paper helicopter would provide the most flight time due to the increased surface area of the wing. We have now completed our 7 steps of the scientific method. However, you may want to do a short follow-up to your lab by looking more critically at what happened or how you did things during your investigation. You may also want to consider other factors or variables that influence your experiment, or consider what else might be an influence in your investigation. For example, in our paper helicopter investigation, I state as a follow-up, I wonder if the ceiling fan or air conditioner affected the flight of the paper copters. I also wonder if I could change my variable to be various angles that the rotor wings have, or bending the tips of the wings up or down.